So, what I'm saying is that there is no one path that is the truth path and the other paths are wrong. I'm not saying that. I'm saying the opposite. I'm saying all paths represent these different stages which are all necessary because all fulfill a function, the function of manifestation realizing itself as the Absolute. So there's no human or non-human experience that is not the path. And as I said before, all of us receive the perfect teaching at every moment. So, but here in this place, in this gathering, in general, my function, my role is not to be of service or of help to everyone, obviously. Nobody does that. But let's say the teaching here is specialized in the sense that points to the final vehicle. Again, the final is not the best. There is no best, no worse. Because you have to go where you have to go. It's like saying that to say that is better or best would be like saying that differential calculus is superior to algebra. Right? No? You have to go, have to assimilate all the steps. Or that creative writing is superior to learning the vocabulary or the letters of the alphabet. You cannot do this, the first without the other. Only that expounding the ultimate direct approach is necessarily for few. when you have gone through all your book of conditions, and you have been wrapping off one page and the other page and the other page and the other page, that belief that power, money, sex, or any other mundane resource would give you peace, freedom, or happiness, and then you have gone through another set of pages in the book of conditions, and then, I don't know, spiritual highs, experiences, bliss, being someone, being a saint, being a whatever you can become in terms of your individual existence. When all that has been discarded and you only aspire to truth, for the sake of truth, for the sake of anything else, just truth because of truth. And you have realized that everything else is just, how you call in English, a fake gem. Anyway. Pale. Something you buy in the market as an imitation of a jewel, a fake stone, a fake painted golden ring. Then you take it to the shop and they say, it's not gold, it's worth $1. Oh, I paid 100,000. Well, bad luck, So when you discard everything as that, knowing that it has that no value, that the only precious jewel is truth. Then you will find truth. Because we only find what we look for, again and again and again, through all those conditions we have established, which we have to experience and find out what they don't give us. Finally, we are at the end of the road and we want what's valuable.